Welcome to DPV technology. In this video, we will learn how to measure temperature using this DS18B20 temperature sensor using Arduino Uno. So let's get started. You can buy all types of electronic components, modules, sensors at best price from www.dpvtechnology.com. For the circuit, we need a DS18B20 temperature sensor, an Arduino Uno USB cable, a 4.7K resistor. This is very important and value is 4.7K. Then one breadboard and three male-to-male jumper wires, or you can use any general wire. The DS18B20 sensor has 3 pins. When we keep this sensor like this, then the first pin from the left side is ground pin. Then the second pin from the left side, that is the middle pin, is data pin that we have to connect to any digital pin of the Arduino. Then this one, the rightmost pin, is VCC pin. We have to supply voltage from 3 to 5 volt to work this sensor properly. It can detect temperature range from -55 degrees Celsius to +125 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of ±0.5 degrees Celsius. Let us first insert the sensor into the breadboard by keeping this ground pin to the left side. Now we will connect these 4.7K resistors in between data pin and VCC pin. This resistor acts as a pull-up resistor. This resistor is very important because this pull-up resistor keeps the data line in high state when the data line is not in use. If you will not use this resistor, you will not get data. So first connect any one terminal of this resistor to this data pin of the sensor. Then connect the other terminal to VCC pin of the sensor by simply inserting like this. Now connect the ground pin of the sensor, the first one from the left side, to ground pin of the Arduino. Then connect the data pin of the sensor to digital pin 8 of the Arduino. You can connect it to any digital pin of the Arduino, but we are using here pin number 8 of the Arduino. Then connect the VCC pin of the sensor, that is the first pin from the right side, to 5 volt pin of the Arduino. Now our connection is ready. Now connect your Arduino board to your PC through the USB cable. Here is the circuit diagram. You can download this diagram from the link given in the description of this video. To use DS18B20 temperature sensor with Arduino, we will use two libraries. One wire library and the second one is Arduino temperature control library. The links are given in the description of this video. When you click on the first link, then you will be redirected to this. So this is one wire library. Then you click on clone or download, then click on download zip. Click save. Then you click on the other link. You click on clone or download, then after that download zip, and then you save it. Now open your Arduino IDE, then go to sketch, then go to include library, then go to add zip library, then open your folder in which you have downloaded the libraries for the DS18B20 sensor. Here we can see this is one wire master, then click on that and then open. So we can see it is automatically added to our Arduino library. Then go to again sketch and include the other library, then go to zip library, then go to your download folder and the second library, that is Arduino temperature control library master, then click on the open. So it will be also automatically included to your Arduino library folder. Now copy and paste this code. The link of this code is given in the description of this video. In this code, at first we have included onewire.h library, then we have included this Dallas temperature.h library. that we have downloaded from the GitHub. After that, we have connected the data pin of our sensor at pin 8. If you have connected the data pin with other pin of the Arduino, then simply sense it. Then we have created two instances. The first one for one wire library and second wire for Dallas temperature library. After that, serial.begin 9600 to start the communication to observe the data on the serial monitor here. Then serial.begin to start communication with the sensor. Then the sensor data is read here. After that, the sensor data is printed here in degree and here in Fahrenheit. Here the index is 0 because we have connected only one sensor. If you will connect multiple sensors, then we have to sense these indexes. Now upload the code. After uploading the code, go to your serial monitor here and click on that. And here we can see the temperature value 31.31 degree Celsius and the Fahrenheit value is 88.36. Thanks for watching. You can buy all types of electronic components, project sensors, boards from our website dpvtechnology.com.